Hello everyone. Today our topic is Telnet configuration in Cisco router. Before doing any configuration, we first of all we will discuss about the Telnet service. So Telnet is an application layer protocol which provide bidirectional plain text based communication between the network devices. Uh, the main purpose of the Telnet service is to access the uh, network devices remotely, and it uses the TCP port number 23. So let's check the configuration how we can configure the Telnet on Cisco router. So we are doing all the configuration in Cisco packet tracer. So we have taken the Cisco router and one Cisco switch and two desktop PCs are directly connected with the switch. So let's start the configuration for Telnet. This is the CLI enable, and here is the privilege mode. So for doing any changes in the router or for doing any type of the configuration in the router, we have to go into the global configuration mode. So we will type configure terminal command, or we can uh, type conft in short. Okay, now for enabling telnet, type the command line bty 0 space 4. 0 space 4 means uh, 5 concurrent session can be uh, allowed by putting this command. So line bty 0 space 4. After that, password for telnet. Suppose we type here 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, then login means it will ask for the password at the login time. And after this, we have to configure the privilege password, that is enable password, or we can say enable secret and the password. For example, Cisco enable secret. Cisco is the password which we will use as a privilege password. Okay, and for accessing this router from the network, for example, we will access this router from this PC. 192.168.1.5 IP we have already assigned to this PC. So before this, we have to configure the interface on the router for the LAN segment. So conft interface g0/0 IP space address and the IP 192.168.1.1, then the subnet mask 255.255.255.0, then no shutdown. Okay, then put the command write, or in short WR. Okay, After this we can check the connectivity between this router and this PC. It's pinging fine. So to test the telnet, type the command telnet space the IP address of the router 192.168.1.1 and the password was 12345. Okay, this is the router which we have access from our desktop PC. So this is the router and we are here in user mode. Here we have to type enable password and the enable password was Cisco. This is, and here we can check the interface by using the command show IP interface brief. So this is all about telnet configuration in Cisco router. In the similar way, we can also do the telnet configuration in Cisco switch. So let's check the configuration. CLI 150 line VTY 0 space 4 password. For example, 12345. We are putting the same password so that we can remember the password for the device. Then login. Okay, and let's check the. Okay, before doing the configuration, let's set the previous password, that is enable secret password. Enable secret and the password. For example, we will search Cisco. After that, we have to assign the IP address to the switch management IP for the switch, so that we can also access the switch from the network. So in configuration mode, interface VLAN IP address 192.168.1.2, then the subnet mask, no sure, then gateway 192.168.1.1, then right, put the right one to save the configuration the switch. Okay, now let's check the telnet service on the switch. So in the PC, we will type telnet space the IP address of the switch. Okay, and the password was 12345. Then enable, and the password is Cisco. So this is the way to configure the Telnet on Cisco devices. Thanks for watching.